Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about general setup and specifically about account period and inventory period. So how we can manage the account period in Business Central, and also how you can manage the inventory period. So let's go to Business Central and check how you can do this. So here we will go to Explore, and select Accounting Period. Here you can see that we already have the period. It's basically simple how to create this. What you need to do if you want to create a new period, you basically have to click here, create year. So you can see here that they will create a new period. It starts from 1st of December and what is the number of the periods and what is the period length. So in this case here, the only thing that the user needs to do is OK, and then you will see that the system creates 24 periods. Okay. Also here, the user can create the inventory period. So in this case here, they just need to click here in every month and say what is the date that they will end the inventory period, and inform if the inventory period is closed. So in this case here, so let's go, we are in 2020, and then I will say, for example, that I use it to close this the inventory period in the last day of the month. So I will click here, and I will say that is 21, and I will not specify that is closed. What happened here is when I inform that the system that is closed, I cannot post anymore any adjust in my store. So it is something that you need to consider, that first you need to run all the process in order to close the movements that you need, and then you can come here and close the period. The idea today is just show how to create this and not execute the process, but in the upcoming videos we will explain how to do this. Okay, so let's see what we have more here. So basically here I can create, I can change something if I need, and also what I can do here is like if I want to close, for example, the 2020 period, is something that I need to come here and close. How I do this? I can come here and say, okay, let's select this and say that I want to close. And then the system will inform to you that I am closing if I am sure about this, and if I want, and what the user needs to do is inform if it's okay, yes. So after that, I can go and execute the routines to transfer the values from my profit and loss in order to close the period. If you have any question and if you want to see anything in details, please let me know. Thank you.